Hi guys, my name is Praise and welcome to another episode with the Diaspora Project. Welcome to the biggest timber shed in Cross River State. Here today guys, I told you the Diaspora Project put it upon themselves to show you building materials, the equipment and how affordable they are. So if you're in Nigeria in diaspora, a Calabar in diaspora or an African in diaspora, here is the bigger timber shed in Cross River State as a whole. Come along with me, let me take you on a tour and see beautiful things, how cheap and affordable they are in this timber shed. Let's go guys. Alright guys, this is a section where they make furniture and they make beautiful chairs for your sitting room, for your parlor and every other places. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Praise. We come from one channel where they call the Diaspora Project. Yeah. With a video business like your own, they post them online so that our people will be in diaspora, our people will wish to buy something like this, they feel connected easily. I hope you don't mind. Make we do video with you.
I don't mind.
Okay. What is your name, sir?
My name is Enefio Ime Edit.
Enefio Ime Edit.
Yeah.
It's nice meeting you, sir.
Yeah.
Wow. As you say, na chairs you dey run for here.
Yes, any type of chair, any pattern that you need, I can give to you. Okay. So that's my direction.
Okay. Sir, how long you want to run this thing?
We have been long now. It is making 25 years.
Wow.
In the business.
25 years in the business is actually a pro. That means you are covered. If you want to get chair, no say na professional they do this here for you, because being here for 25 years and doing the same work is not an easy thing. That means it's a pro in the business. Yeah. So as you say, a lot of people they run this thing for you because of the biggest timber shed for Cross River State be this. Yeah. A lot of people they do this work. How you dey make customers they come to you? How you dey run am?
It depends how you make a good work. Well, because when you make a good produce, people will come left and right to come and make you and give you the chair to do. Those are the things that bring customer to you.
Okay. Yeah, we choose quality over quantity.
Yes.
Depends on the quality of what you offer. Yeah. And why we say customers they come meet you. Yeah. So like these chairs, so if you just tell me like their price difference, how you like they run them, and maybe from the processes like this one, as you say, never complete. Yeah. If you just explain from the process how they made this thing and the price for me, I beg.
The price of the chair, well, like this one, I can give you in 180. It depends the quantity, the quality of the wood and the quality of the frame. Yeah. So I can give you 200, 300, and before we start, we have to produce the wood and go buy the timber and saw it. And when we saw it finish and start to nail it, when we nail it finish, before we put the frame, before the material lasts. Okay. That is how we make the chair to come out. Okay.
So this one na for which place and this one na for which place? I think for how?
This one is for dining. This is dining set. Yes. Wow. The table is there on spraying for now. Okay. So this is the seat of the dining. Okay.
This one is for parlor.
This one is for parlor.
Okay. So wetin be the location of this place in case people want reach out to you? If people want call you, I go like make you call your phone number put for the screen so that if people want reach out to you, they go fit call you for your phone number.
Okay. This side is line B. Then my phone number is 0069372253. Okay. That's my cell.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. So you help yourself. If you need anything, you come to line B. What is the name of this timber market?
Line B. Okay, the timber market.
Yes, the full name. Like the street or
the
Okay, yeah. So if you need anything and you are within, just come to Ekpeyon, to the biggest timber market in Cross River State, and contact the number shown on your screen or just send us a DM and we'll put you through on what to do and how to get a very beautiful chair for yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.
Alright guys, so this is another section where they do most of the splitting and the cutting of the wood before they can take to those who do furniture, those who do doors and other segments here in the same market. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, my brother.
Yeah, my name is Praise.
I'm not my name.
No, okay, it's a pleasure meeting you, sir. I see one big engine behind here. I don't even want to know. I get curious. I want to know what they use this engine do, because and some of these wood like they see they're big. How do they take split this wood into smaller pieces so that they fit do all those doors and all those furniture so they see, sir?
Okay, this is the stenner machine. Okay, we call it stenner.
The stenner machine.
Yes, size 48. We use it to split all this wood that you have seen here. Okay, this is 4 by 12 by 13 or 14 feet. Okay, any plank that you need, this wood can give you 4 planks. It's 1 by 12 4.
Okay, one of these can give you 4 planks.
Yes.
Wow.
For decking, maybe if you want to do excavation of pouring a pillar or whatever, you use it for. And if you want to roof a house also, this machine can saw 2 by 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 2, depending on the sizes.
Wow.
The function of this machine is anybody that has a timber in the forest will bring it down here. We will split it to small sizes. Okay. In whichever sizes that you need, this machine can give you exactly accurate soil. So we normally use it daily basis to split those wood to customers who got their wood here, and they will pay for it.
Okay. So how long you don dey run this thing? How long you don dey run this package?
It's getting to 20 years now.
Wow. And people that are here in this place are people that are well experienced.
Yes.
Their experience is of high range. People like 20 years, 25 years. That is to assure you that whatever you bring here is in safe hand.
Yes.
If you don't do this business for 20 years, maybe it's not picking for the business again. So I don't understand, because I see a lot of people get this machine, or if maybe the same machine, but some people still get them around. How do they take run your own? Maybe say customers they still come to you, call run package with you.
Okay, like what I told you, this is size 48. Okay. Other people have a smaller one. Okay. But this is the biggest size so far.
Wow.
This one can saw any size of wood.
Wow.
Any size. Other small one cannot saw. There are some sizes that they will not be able to saw. Okay. You understand? Yeah. Like my own, we have like 3 to 4 saws. Like now, as you can see, the first saw will be removed. Yes. Because it's due for sharpening. We have what we call straight, sharp, and joining. Like this one, we are using, they do straight and sharp with this particular one they are putting now. So maybe with time like 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that one will be off. They roll that one and take it to the saw shop for the saw doctor to treat it back. Yeah. When they finish it, they will bring it back and fix it. So all what we normally do, like this machine that we sent you, a lot of let me call it expenses. Yes, do pay into it, because as you see now, they can put that saw. If you need to go about the saw will cut, and they will take it to the saw shop for them to join it and bring it back. So it take a lot of process before you can, you know, finish a particular job before you get the money. But what matters is that if you have a good operator, who knows how to saw the wood and cage it well, because the machine is with a cage, who know how to saw the wood to be straight, that's where your customer will patronize you. But if you don't have a perfect operator, that's where you have problem. Wow. Yes.
So here we deal with quality over quantity.
Yes.
Yes, that is just the main fact. So you can see for yourself, Nigerians in diaspora, perseverance in diaspora, and even Africans in diaspora. We have to show you how these things are manufactured from the root. We have to show you the origin of how these things, not the one you go and get to the market that is not well sold with a good wood. As you can see for yourself, this wood, no matter how it is, decades of years, this wood can never fade. You can see for yourself, you see this wood here, very, very strong. That's why we come to show you that what we have here is quantity, is quality over quantity. We don't do quantity here, but we only do quality. That's why we urge Nigerians in diaspora, we urge the perseverance in diaspora to look back to their locality so that they can get all these things at very, very affordable price. So I don't really know if you sell some of this wood. We would love to know the prices.
Okay. Yeah, like me, I'm a timber merchant. Okay. In provision. Yeah. I also know how to operate the machine. Okay. Like this wood, this is 4 by 9. Yeah. Yeah. If you need it, that particular one is almost 30,000. The locks. Okay. The locks.
It provides how many planks out of it?
Okay. Like this one, it provides still 4. But if you need 3, depending on what you want. Yeah. Depending on what you want to use it for.
Yes, sir.
But normally, it's 4 planks. Okay, 4 planks. Yes, normally out of it. This other one, the same thing, 4 planks out of it. Depends on what you want to use. If you want us to remove it, they remove 5 of it, 5 planks, we can still do that for you. But it will be very tiny, depending on the size. The size will be tiny. But normal sizes is 4 planks. If you sell 4 planks, you have what you want. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. So guys, we are opportune to meet the timber merchant in this biggest timber shop in Cross River State. If you need any timber, we will put his number on the screen, and also you can send a DM or comment on our video. If you are watching us for the first time on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, also follow us on Facebook, sir. We like to get your contact. We are timber merchant. A lot of people might need timber and they can easily connect you. I don't know if you can call your phone number to our screen so that they can see it by themselves.
Okay. My phone number is 080 3551 5256.
5256.
Yeah.
So what's the location of this place?
Okay, this is F-line shade 1 and 2.
F-line shade 1 and 2.
Akim Timber Market.
Akim Timber Market in Calabar.
Yes.
If you are close, or if you want us to ready for you, like you heard, everything here is original. That's why we are showing you how they have been processed and how they have been made, so that you can know that we are dealing with quality over quantity. All you need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel, keep you updated on how these things are made. Send us a DM in case you need any, or contact the number showing on your screen. Thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you. You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
All right, guys. So let's go over to another section. Like I said, this is the biggest timber market in Cross River State. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, so we are opportunity to meet one of the presidents in one of the segments here in this big market. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Praise, and what's your name?
My name is Upong Charles.
Okay, Mr. Charles. Are you the president in this
Yes,
market?
I'm the president of Building Materials and equally the timber dealer.
Okay, timber dealer, the president of Building Materials.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So we just love to see some of the work you've done here and how it is being done. So if you don't mind, let's just talk about it.
Here are my products.
Okay.
These are frames.
Okay.
And these are doors. These are finished products.
Yeah.
Which are the doors.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Before I get to this finishing stage, the timber that I use here, we call it red camwood.
Okay, red camwood.
Yes, red camwood. So first of all, I will now put it for sawing. After sawing, I will now belt out the design that I want.
Yes.
Then we'll take it to a machine for cutting. After cutting, we will couple it. After coupling, I will take it to filer. The filer will file it. After filing, we take it to sander. After sanding now, we will now ready for spraying.
Wow.
The spraying will just take like 3 days.
Okay, like the one they are
Yeah,
doing.
like the one they are doing right now.
Yeah.
Will now take like 3 days before we get to this stage of finishing.
Well, that is a long process. And
Yes.
that is to ensure that the products are very good.
Well finished, yes.
So how long have you been doing this thing?
I've been in this line since 2005.
Wow.
Yes.
That is a long way, about 20
Yes,
years
yes.
now. So that is long. So I don't know if you can call out your number for our viewers, so that in case they need things like this, they can reach you easily.
Yes.
Yeah, just call your phone number for us.
My phone number is 080
Yeah.
36
Yeah.
28 45 09. And that's my WhatsApp number.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. It's a pleasure
You are
meeting you,
welcome.
sir.
You are
Yeah,
welcome.
thank you,
Yes.
sir.
You are
We'll
welcome.
put a number on our video so that in
Yes.
case people need good work like this, they can easily reach you.
We appreciate.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.